Holly says it's David Arco. Did you see the clip where Jake's pole fell off the pier?
It didn't fall off. It was taller than a big elephant.
David Arco says, oh no, I didn't.
Here's the clip.
Holly says go check it out, it's quite funny, except for JP.
I'm like, oh man. As soon as I turn my back, right?
Holly says, yep, the second you turn your back. David Arco says, oh, just saw it. Man, that sucks. Did you get it back?
No.
Yeah.
Helen Holly says there was something big on the other end though.
See the other pole when it went in? I don't know if that was a bike or was the pole going off. My youngest son said all he saw was my pole take off like a torpedo on the water.
Helen Holly says, I am so glad you got it on video.
Oh, that's classic. I'm gonna be remembered.
David Arco says legend has it that that fish still swims the oceans with that pole hanging behind him.
I know, like Jaws. Alright, let's say we get some more sardines. How about that, guys? Since we are the sardine masters. When I say we, I mean...
Helen Holly says, yeah, he's gonna live with that pole chasing him the rest of his life.
When I catch fish, we catch fish. Alright, let's go. More sardines. I need to be in the center shot here. There we go. Can you guys see the other pole? Yep. Still swimming around.
but
That's a separate track.
yeah. Well, what are you?
Oh, yeah. Oh, he came off. Came off again. Right, I know how deep they are. The stream look good? Sound good? Everything good?
Helen Holly says looking good.
I'm again. Here you go. One at a time, baby. Oh, damn.
Stay Vadarko says more bait laughing face.
Yep. But he's whacking himself. I have a dehooker so he doesn't hurt himself.